In this video, we show how to remove the vaporizer from your anesthesia machine, drain the vaporizer, and package it for shipping. Step 1. Remove the old vaporizer from your machine. Remove the 23mm inlet and outlet caps from the sides of your vaporizer. Remove the bolts from the back of the anesthesia machine with a 10mm wrench. Step 2. Completely drain the agent from the vaporizer. This example shows draining a D20 funnel fill vaporizer. Anesthetic agent should always be drained back into the original bottle or another approved container. Unscrew the filler cap and invert it to connect with the notched drain plug. Turn counterclockwise to activate the drain and replace the cap once the agent has been drained. Step 3. Unbox the replacement vaporizer. As you open the box, take care to save your return shipping label and packaging foam in a dry, safe place. You will need these items in order to make the return. Step 4. Remove the new replacement vaporizer from the box. Step 5. Place your empty vaporizer into the box using the same packaging. Please note, the foam packaging is unique to your vaporizer and should fit snugly around the vaporizer body to ensure the vaporizer does not move in transit and become damaged. After resealing the box, adhere the included return shipping label to the box and schedule pickup with FedEx. How to drain other common types of vaporizers. This example shows a Vetland D19, also known as a Draeger 19.1 vaporizer. This vaporizer is a funnel fill example. Turn the drain plug and unscrew to drain the agent back into the agent bottle. This example shows a Tech 4 key fill vaporizer. Insert the key fill bottle adapter into the port. Unscrew the knob to open the valve and drain the agent back into the agent bottle. This example does not show the chained dummy block, which you may need to remove in order to use the key fill bottle adapter that is shown here. This example shows a Tech 3 funnel fill vaporizer. It works the same way as the D20 earlier in the video. Unscrew the filler cap and invert to connect with the notched drain plug. Turn counterclockwise to activate the drain. Drain the agent back into the agent bottle. Turn the filler cap right side up and tighten down again for shipping. If you have any more questions, please feel free to call Vetland Medical Sales and Services. Our toll-free number is 866-476-0589, or visit us on the web for more helpful videos at www.vetlandmedical.com.